In this lesson, I am going to start with the teacher's job. What does a teacher do in a classroom? I will talk about the pupils in a classroom and what activities they do. You are going to learn the vocabulary related to exams. Do you sit for or retake an exam? You will have a quiz at the end of the lesson about the school facilities. Let's start. This teacher helps students love this engaging vocabulary activity. He tells them that they can work individually or in pairs or groups to create one or two wheels to connect the vocabulary words with their definitions. Teachers can adapt this accurate matching activity for any age group to teach effective vocabulary in their classrooms. The teacher points out that Swat the Vocab is the perfect game to use in his classroom. Students will enjoy working in teams to compete against one another as they learn vocabulary words.
Many teachers express concern that even their more able pupils do not fulfill their potential in the subject. The school may have over 700 pupils. Students in a classroom may be studious, that is, that they spend a lot of time studying and reading. Students can also be disruptive, that is, they can cause problems and prevent their classmates from being focused. They can also be lazy, not liking work and physical activity, or not making any effort to do anything. The pupils are using sheets of white paper, pencil, pen or sketch pens, drawings or images. They are playing in pairs, an activity that engages their imagination and ability to describe things. The pupils are taking down notes in their copybooks. The library offers a wide range of novels, plays and periodicals, journals, magazines as well as digital resources. It has a computer room if you want to read ebooks. Students may have to take exams at the end of each year. They may pass an exam or fail it. They also can study or revise for an exam. If a student sails through an exam, he passes it easily. However, if he scrapes through an exam, he only just pass it. Some students try to cheat in an exam. Students who fail an exam can retake or re-sit an exam. Pupils can do or make a drawing. They can make a detailed drawing of animals and flowers. Besides, pupils can do a line drawing which consists only of lines. Moreover, they can do a few pencil drawings when they are in class. Finally, a scale drawing shows the correct relative sizes of things as an architect does. Students go to school or attend school. A state school or a public school is a school that gets its money from the government. A local school is a school near where someone lives, but a boarding school is a school where children also live and sleep. A nursery school is a school for children under 5. A primary school is British English and an elementary school is American English for children up to 11. A secondary school is a high school for children from 11 to 16 or 18. Now, here is a quiz on school facilities. Look at the picture and say what it is.